Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable, like they have more hours in the day than the rest of us? Here's the truth. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's their morning routine. Your morning can set the tone for your entire day and your entire life. Today, I am going to share how you can master your mornings to unlock peak performance, boost your productivity, and feel unstoppable every single day. Why mornings matter? Our mornings are like the first chapter of a book. If it's engaging, you want to keep reading. If you start your day stressed, distracted, and reactive, you will carry that energy into everything else you do. Research shows that your first 90 minutes after waking can determine your energy, focus, and mood for the next 6 to 8 hours. Think about it. If you wake up and the first thing you do is check your phone, you are letting the world's problems, notifications, and other people's priorities hijack your day before you have even brushed your teeth. The key is to take control of your morning before the world takes control of you. The pillars of a powerful morning. Let's see it. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps that will transform your mornings. First step is wake up with purpose. Don't hit snooze. Every snooze confuses your body and mind, making you more tired. Place your alarm across the room so you have to physically get up. Remember, you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Second step is hydrate before anything else. Your body has gone without water for 6 to 8 hours while sleeping. Drink at least 300 to 500 ml of water right after waking. Bonus, add a pinch of Himalayan salt and lemon for hydration and metabolism boost. Next step is move your body. You don't need a 1 hour workout. Even 10 to 20 minutes of stretching, yoga, or light cardio will wake up your muscles and brain. Physical movement floods your body with oxygen and energy, making you mentally sharper. Prime your mind. This is your mental warm up for the day. Meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or even reading 10 pages of a good book can put you in the right state of mind. Ask yourself, what's the most important thing I can accomplish today? Write it down. Next step is fuel up the right way. Avoid heavy, greasy, or sugar loaded breakfast that craves your energy. Go for protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think eggs, oats, nuts, or a smoothie. Let's see the 20 cross 20 cross 20 formula. One of my favorite routines is Robin Sharma's 20 cross 20 cross 20 formula. So first 20 minutes move, exercise, stretch, sweet. Next 20 minutes reflect, meditate, journal, practice gratitude. Final 20 minutes grow, read, listen to a podcast, learn something new. This 1 hour investment can make the remaining 23 hours of your day more productive, focused, and joyful. Let's see how to overcome morning routine challenges. Now, let's be honest. Building a morning routine isn't always easy. Common problems are staying up too late, feeling unmotivated to get out of bed, getting distracted by social media. So solutions are sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your morning starts the night before. Put your phone on airplane mode before bed. Set a small, non-negotiable morning win. Something so easy you can't skip it, like making your bed or doing 10 push-ups. Remember, progress beats perfection. You don't need a perfect morning, just a consistent one. So here's the truth. Your morning is your launch pad. If you own your morning, you own your day. And if you own your days, you own your life. Start small. Even if you just wake up 15 minutes earlier tomorrow and drink water instead of grabbing your phone, you have taken your first step. Success is built one morning at a time. So tomorrow morning, when that alarm goes off, don't think, just rise. Your future self is waiting for you. If you found this valuable, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Share this with someone who needs a morning boost and don't forget to subscribe because every week I share powerful tools and strategies to help you achieve your dreams. Now go win your morning.